Have you ever felt the urge to be right next to him? An overwhelming desire to make him go, yeah, she is the one? It's not an easy feeling to pull off, and it could be a while until you achieve it. But there are some small things you can do as a woman that would make a man fall in love in an instant with just small attitudes. And we can help you identify those irresistible details. In this video, we will show you 11 irresistible attitudes that men love about women. Once you understand these signs, that man will never get away because he will recognize he hit the jackpot with you. So watch this video until the end so you can get the right attitude to make him fall for you. If you are new here, make sure to click the subscribe button and leave a comment below saying, I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's start. Number 11. Your warm heart. This virtue fell from heaven. It's a really understated trait. Kindness is one of the most beautiful traits a woman can have, and it's shockingly attractive. The key to a lasting relationship is a kind and generous woman who works as a bridge between a man and the rest of the world. And it's a trait nobody can hide. When a woman reacts and acts with kindness, it shows she is emotionally mature and confident. That calmness in your heart can drive him crazy in love. The happiest couples are nice to each other and will always have immense respect for their life partner. Have you ever heard the wise quote, "Never go to bed angry"? Well, by being a kind woman, his night will be peaceful and full of the warmest love you can provide. Moments full of comfort and trust are the most attractive feelings that will keep him far from toxic relationships and close to your heart. Number 10. Being playful. Life is full of responsibilities, dramas, and never-ending daily battles. So it's pretty easy for a man to fall in love with a woman who brings the fun out of everyday life. Nothing is more appealing to him than the fact that you can make him feel like he's in a spa with a single kiss after a long day at work. Life can be pretty mundane overall, but when he finds a girl like you who brings creativity to the table and has the impressive ability to make him laugh, it's enough to seal the deal and uninstall any dating apps on his phone. A playful attitude can enhance his routine and make him feel like he is in a wonderful relationship. With your easygoing love, it's a walk in the park. He can fall in love with a woman who always shines, as opposed to someone who complains. Number 9. You are confident. Once he sees you walking and carrying yourself with enough confidence, there is no turning back from that, as you could fill the room with all that powerful energy. Confidence is not arrogance. Confidence is something that you can see a mile away, and it doesn't mean you are arrogant or feel better than anybody else. A woman's confidence is a force and an attitude towards life. Being a 100% confident woman will make things far easier for him. If he likes you, you will let him know right away. And if he doesn't like you, you won't have any trouble with him in letting him know without mixed signals. When you are a confident woman, you know exactly what you want and where you are going. And that is a virtue he can fall in love with. Number 8. A balance of happiness. Yes, happiness is also an attitude, and when you have it, it shows. These vibes will make him feel like he is in the perfect place with you. It will make him feel at home. A happy woman is an achiever, a woman that can conquer and go beyond her limits to be the best at everything she does. That attitude of overachieving and working hard to feel content with her life is really contagious. And once he is around a woman like you, he will feel it too. And that vibe will let him know if he is drawn to you or not. It's instantaneous. That happy vibe will resonate inside him like a million heartbeats, and he will get hooked once you lay your magic smile on him. Number 7. A laid-back attitude. There is nothing more unnatural than building up pressure. A relationship will always naturally evolve, but another thing is a woman with an anxious and stressed out energy that wants a man to be a certain way. If she doesn't love who he is from the get-go, if she constantly wants to change him, if she constantly points out all the things he did wrong, then he will know it's time to say goodbye. On the other hand, when you relax and let him flow at your side, making every major step an enjoyable decision, he will think you are definitely a keeper. Life is already full of roles and boxes to check, but a laid-back woman that accepts you and never takes you for granted is somebody to keep near your heart and appreciate. Number 6. A female aura. Being feminine is one of the most attractive choices you can make. Every time he hugs you and his hands are drenched in your perfume. Every time he looks at you and he notices your soft skin. Every time you go out together and you dress to conquer the world, it means the world to him. Those details can easily make him fall over hills for you and make it a trademark feeling that he will replay in every hug and in every look. A feminine woman will leave a trail behind her that he will notice every time you walk by. Number 5. His number 1 fan. The woman behind a man's dreams and goals is a woman that will stay for as long as that man lives. Imagine being somebody that would be behind him every step of the way, giving him extra help and being the pillar he always needed. There is nothing more important for an overachiever than having a partner that completely supports his goals. When he finds a woman like that, nothing is impossible and everything becomes an easier journey since you have the love and support he craves for being an amazing woman that could do anything for him. Number 4. When you smile. Sometimes it's as simple as that. A woman with a beautiful smile can change his entire day. If he had a bad day at work, if he fought with someone in a traffic jam, if money is out of his reach, anything that happened to his day can be a little easier when you welcome him with a beautiful smile. It is just a simple gesture and attitude towards life that can travel a million miles directly to his heart. Nothing beats a good smile, and he will appreciate it, especially on the coldest winter days life can bring, since a warm smile changes the whole situation, and whatever he is dealing with becomes lighter, thanks to you. Number 3. Showing him love. Even though it seems obvious, showing affection is an art, and doing it well could be a big thesis. A man's natural desire is to protect women, and he can feel the same way when you show him affection and when you make him feel wanted. It's a really powerful attitude when you come running towards him, seeking help or protection. It's something that instinctively works. Making a man feel needed will make him feel whole. And when you bring a piece of wise advice or an insight to make him a better person, a good man will always listen with respect and gratitude, because caring is a way of showing him your love. Number 2. Honesty as a first option. A woman who is confident enough and straightforward will help him become a better man. This is when you are not afraid of pointing out his mistakes, and when you are not afraid of a healthy confrontation now and then to clear the air. An honest woman makes him feel at ease and liberated. Many men could envy his peace of mind since you know there is nothing to hide in that relationship and that all can be communicated openly. When you are authentic, you will get the best out of him, and he will feel the relief of not having to second-guess everything he does when you love him and accept him. Being honest is like a magnet and shows that you appreciate the real him, which he will love. Being honest is so attractive that it makes you impossible to resist. Number 1. You are funny. If there is a shortcut to happiness, laughing is one of the shortest pathways to it. And when you find it in a woman's smile, in her jokes, in the way she laughs about life, then you are charmed by her, and happiness is just a kiss away. When you make him laugh, besides being incredibly attractive, you are being smart. And that's a certified keeper in his book. A woman like that always has the best icebreakers for any uncomfortable situation, an ability that would destroy his defenses. Imagine having a first date full of smiles. No one would need dating advice because that kind of chemistry is obvious from the start, and is one of the greatest gifts you can give to him. Now, you are ready to take the next step. The recommended video that you see on the screen right now will show you how to become a priority in someone's life in 9 proven steps. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.